From energy security to strategic diversification, India is strengthening engagement with resource rich nations across the globe. One such partner is Venezuela, home to the world's largest proven oil reserves. As global supply chains face uncertainty and crude markets remain volatile, Venezuelan interim president's visit to India has brought bilateral ties back into focus. A report.
India and Venezuela have shared strong diplomatic ties since 1959, with energy cooperation remaining at the heart of their relationship. Amid shifting global energy dynamics, Venezuelan acting president Delcy Rodriguez arrived in India on a 5-day visit aimed at deepening bilateral engagement. She held talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, with discussions focusing on energy, trade, investment, healthcare, and renewable energy. The visit comes at a crucial time as India looks to diversify its crude oil supplies and strengthen energy security amid ongoing volatility in global markets.
तो वेनेजुएला भारत को तेल ऑफर करेगा, ऑलरेडी कर रहा है, हम ऑलरेडी खरीद रहे हैं वेनेजुएला का तेल। और वेनेजुएला का जो तेल है उसकी खरीद जो होती है वो अमेरिका के द्वारा या अमेरिका के थ्रू होती है। जो भी देश या प्राइवेट कंपनी वेनेजुएला का तेल इस समय ले रहा है वो पैसा वो जमा करता है अमेरिकी सरकार के एक ट्रेजरी अकाउंट में। उस ट्रेजरी अकाउंट से अमेरिका 20% पैसा रखता है और बाकी पैसा वो वेनेजुएला को देता है। अभी भी हमारी रिफाइनरीज खरीद रही है, हमारी रिलायंस खरीद रही है। पिछले महीने में ऑलरेडी 3-3.5 लाख बैरल्स अ डे हमने खरीदे हैं वेनेजुएला से। पिछले महीने आई थिंक हम वेनेजुएला के तेल के सबसे बड़े बायर हो गए थे, क्योंकि 10 लाख बैरल्स अ डे वो बनाते हैं, उसमें 3-3.5 हम खरीदे, तो नंबर 1 बायर हम ही हो गए थे।
Energy remains the biggest driver of India-Venezuela relations. According to reports, India imported around 427,000 barrels of Venezuelan crude per day in May, making it the second largest buyer after the United States. Indian refiners, particularly Reliance Industries, have significantly increased purchases of Venezuelan crude in recent months. The heavy crude produced by Venezuela is especially suited for complex refineries that can process lower cost grades into high value petroleum products. Industry experts believe the visit could pave the way for greater long term cooperation in the energy sector, including stable supply arrangements and expanded commercial engagement.
There's also, of course, business possibilities in pharmaceuticals and so on and so forth, but Venezuela needs to have the money to buy all this. Well, I don't think Venezuela has been a very important partner of late, these recent years. So the hope is that, first of all, we'll be able to continue to buy Venezuelan oil, which several of our refineries increasingly are able to use. It's a very thick and very difficult oil to refine. But there are companies, particularly Reliance, and the volumes have increased massively. We are buying, in May, I understand it was 427,000 barrels a day, the second largest source of oil.
Beyond oil, both countries are exploring opportunities in pharmaceuticals, agriculture, technology, and infrastructure. For India, deeper engagement with Venezuela aligns with broader strategy of securing diverse energy sources while expanding its footprint across Latin America.